How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So on this video, we're going to be talking about yet another stop sell of recall, this time affecting 23 to 25 Pilot and 23 to 24 Honda Passport. So essentially, this is the background on what's going on. On some vehicles, may have an incomplete connection between the fuel tank pipe and the fill pipe. As a result of this, the tank, fill pipe, and fuel fill pipe can separate in an event of a crash, allowing fuel to leak. If a fuel leak occurs in the presence of an ignition source, the risk of a fire and or injury are increased. So obviously not something that we want to be seeing. Honda yet again with another recall under its belt. So not sure how many vehicles are affected as of yet. So if somebody has information, drop a comment down below. If I get that information, then I'll pin a comment in the section down below. But we can assume a decent amount of vehicles are affected. Doesn't mean that they actually have the issue. So essentially what we have to do as technicians is we have to remove the left rear wheel. Then we remove the left rear fender liner, and with compressed air we clean around where the filler neck and the filler pipe to the tank join, and make sure we blow with some compressed air, get all that grit and stuff out of that builds up over time. Now at that point we have to pull down on the pipe going to the fuel tank and make sure that it does not separate. Now if it separates, all we have to do is take that out, clean it with a shop rag, make sure nothing's damaged or anything like that, and connect the pipe back up. Now, either process requires us submitting pictures, so we do have to submit those and for the claim to get processed and approved and all that good stuff. So again, not something that we want to see, another recall yet again before the end of the year on these vehicles. Once again, it is 23 to 25 Pilots and 23 to 24 Passports. Now, I know a coworker of mine did do one of these today. I wasn't really on it because I was extremely busy doing other vehicles, other recalls, prologues, things of that nature. So as soon as I get a chance to make a video on the process, I will make a video. I know some of you people like to just see the behind the scenes stuff and get a better visual idea. Sometimes explaining something versus showing something is a totally different perspective and mindset, and put some people at ease. I don't think this is going to be a huge deal, but again, Honda in the news with another recall. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of these vehicles. Now again, this is a stop sell, so if your vehicle has this, we have to repair it before being sold. So again, it's going to be a simple repair, nothing crazy, and most chances are no parts are going to need it to be replaced unless if something is damaged once we get in there. But it's just a poor connection at the assembly line. So I think a matter of just having reconnected, it's not a huge deal. Obviously, you don't want to have fuel leaking potentially, but I think in most cases, if it was a bigger deal, we probably have fuel leaking as you're filling up the vehicle, which does not seem to be the case at this point. So again, when I get a chance to make a video on this, I surely will, just so you guys understand and get a better visual of everything that kind of goes on behind the scenes. So that's going to be it for this video, and with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one.